who has been appointed as the head of committee for administration of COVID-19 vaccine. R.S. Sharma. A training program for social children named Yuvika is being conducted by which Indian organization? Indian Space Research Organization. Sri Lanka has revived the port deal with India and Japan to develop which terminal? Deep Sea Terminal. The Jal Jeevan Mission is a flagship program of the Union government which aims to provide tap water connection to every rural household by which year? 2024. Which nation's military contingent will take part in India's Republic Day Parade 2021? Bangladesh. Which AIIMS campus has received the Kayakalp Award? AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Which country has organized the 4th One Planet Summit 2021 with the UN and World Bank? France. How many Indian companies have been included in the Hurun Global 500 report? Eleven. Which company has appointed Pradeep Kumar as its Chief Information Officer? Bharti Airtel. Which edition of the Indian Coastal Defence Exercise, Sea Vigil 21, has been conducted by the Navy of India? Second. The new Foreign Trade Policy 2021-26 will be come into effect from which date? April 1st. Who is the author of the book titled The Population Myth, Islam, Family Planning and Politics in India? S.Y. Qureshi. Which state government has celebrated Thiruvalluvar Day on 15th January 2021? Tamil Nadu. The Hubli to Dharwad bus rapid transit system project was recently inaugurated in which state? Karnataka. India's first fire park has been inaugurated in which state? Odisha.